But you said a dandy. What's a dandy?
What's a dandy?
A
Like
dandy
dandelion
is a person. A dandy is a man in particular who dresses like in very sort of whimsical, expressive sort of clothing and his hair.
Okay.
Think of like 1968. Yeah. That's pretty much it. That's cool. Right, and I concur.
Mierda.
Yo. Did you guys call and ask Jacob if he took the shit? Like, why would they think I took that shit? Alright, and if I say no, why does there gotta be a fucking problem with that? If I say I didn't take it, why is it a problem?